Welcome guys to your guide to website. So today I'm going to show you a little bit about the strings in PHP. You can do a lot with them. So yeah, let's start. Let's see, what can we say? Yeah, first of all, you can tell PHP to count the length of a word, right? So let's say you're gonna echo. Of course, you must echo things in PHP. You can echo things in PHP. So let's say echo your guide to website creation, right? So yeah, we have that, your guide to website creation. But let's say we want to count how many letters are actually in here. You just type string st and then length, strulen. It's strulen. It's for string length, and you're gonna put this string inside of course curly brackets. So now you're gonna tell PHP to count the length of this string. So the string length is gonna tell you 30. Oh, it's perfectly 30. So if we just remove one piece of letter, it's gonna say 29. So that's pretty cool, right? Yes, it is. So let's go on. What can PHP do more? Word count. Function counts the number of words in a string. Well, so first one. So the string length, which we have put here, counts the amount of letters, but this one counts the words actually, which is pretty cool. So if you want to count some words, so let's say I don't eat pig without a question mark. So now we're gonna count these words. So how do you count it? Word count. Okay. So str stands for string word count. Don't forget to code with me, you're gonna remember it better. So string word count, and it's gonna count the amount of words. 5 words. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, it counts this as 2 words. So let's say like that, 4 words. Okay, so I don't eat pig, because you write it like this, right? Don't. Not sure. Yeah, but it's gonna count the amount of words. So that's pretty cool. Let's go on. Of course, you can reverse the string. So let's say you want to say echo you are amazing, right? So we're going to echo this, and it says you are amazing, but we want to reverse it, and it says string str stands for string, and then rev for reverse. Don't forget the curly brackets. Now it's gonna give my error away. That's pretty cool. You know guys, PHP is just really awesome. So you can search for specific text within the string. Okay, so this one is also cool. Just echo, let's say, my guide to website is really awesome. I should subscribe, right? So that's just echoing. My guide to website is really awesome. I should subscribe. Okay. So let's say you want to find just a word in it. So what does it do? It searches for a specific text within a string. If the match is found, the function returns the character position. Okay, so it's going to search for it, and it's going to tell you in which position the word is. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Character position, first match. If no match found, it will return false. Okay, right. So we have echo. My guide website is really awesome. I should subscribe. Let's search for a string. String position, string pos, and we're gonna type after the string a comma and the word that we're looking for. So we have a haystack, and we're gonna look for the needle. Let's say I'm gonna look for guide. Okay, because it says guide here. So let's see what it says. Is the third or the third character. So it's in the third character. That's where the word starts. So 1, 2, 3, because this is the first character of this word which we were looking for. So it's gonna say it's the third character. It's really cool. Let's look for subscribe. it's gonna be something else. 74th character. So obviously we're not gonna count, it's just counting for us where it is. So that's really cool. You can replace a text within a string, which is also really awesome. So let's move this also. So string replace, that is really awesome. So let's see, PHP string replace function replace some characters with some other characters in the string. That is cool. So let's echo something. Let's say hello YouTubers. Okay. So let's say hello YouTubers, hello YouTubers. What shall we do? String replace. So we're gonna replace the string. Type again true for string, then replace open and close with a curly bracket, and it's gonna, let's see, so replace world dolly. Okay, so every time if you do string replace, it's gonna replace the first string, and here we have two strings, and the last string is gonna replace actually the first string. So this is a little bit complicated. I'm gonna show you the easy version. So we have one string here, and we gonna, not sure if this works. So we have hello YouTubers, and we're gonna replace, let's see, hello YouTubers, and we're gonna replace cool people. Let's see what happens here. Nothing. Well, I'm doing something wrong. Place subject. Okay, I'm gonna type in hello. I don't know what I'm doing. So what is he doing now? He's to replace world dog. Oh, I got it. I got it. Oh, okay. Right. So let's go at it again. So what is it's gonna search through the last string, right? For these words, and if it finds these words, it's gonna replace them with this, right? So you gotta actually start at the last one. We're gonna say hello YouTube. Okay, search for the word YouTube and replace it with cool people. So now it gotta say hello cool people, right? So hello cool people. Yeah, okay, so that's string replace. Search for it. You have to put the subject in the last in the third string, and you have to search for the word that you're looking for, and when it's found that word, you're gonna say it to with what it should replace it. So that was string replace. Really awesome. I never use it, but it's quite handy. May come handy sometimes. And yeah, so guys, that was it for strings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.